A very warm welcome to all the viewers of this YouTube channel where myself Orpon Deashi, SPOC of all the MOOC activities which is happening so far at RCC Institute of Information Technology, Kolkata, India, will take a brief time from you to give a statistical report of what is going beyond the classroom learning activities at this institute before the lockdown and also during the lockdown scenario, what is happening in the last 3 years. If you just go for a brief analysis, you will find that RCC IIT is deeply engaged in the SWAYAM NPTEL courses, Coursera, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing organized e-learning courses, which is nothing but an initiative of ISRO, and also in the SWAYAM e-outreach program in the last 3 years. And also, several students of RCC IIT is undertaking the training and also receiving internship at Internsala, which is nothing but collaborative with the AICTE, and it's a AICTE affiliated training and internship program. So before going to the details, first let me start with what is the performance analysis of different MOOCs in the RCC IIT, and I am starting briefly the SWAYAM NPTEL local chapter, which is established at RCC IIT just 3 years ago, that is the 6 semesters. Its branch code is 1128, established at 2017 June. And if you just look out the rankings of the RCC IIT, which is also available in the NPTEL website, that when we have started journey at the first semester, our rank is 249 and the rank in West Bengal is 30. Within one semester, we have raised to 21, and then we have raised to 12 in West Bengal and 47 in all India level within 1 year. Just we have dropped marginally, though all India level in January to June 2009, but we are continuously progressing inside the West Bengal, and in December 2019, we are considered at the under the top 5 institutes as SWAYAM NPTEL is concerned. This is a great achievement by RCC IIT, as the graph is perfectly reflecting how the journey is making on. Since the data of June 2020 is yet to be officially published, so I can't give you that description, but in this semester also almost 500 candidates are going through the exam, so RCC IIT can expect a lot of better prospect. If you just look out the semester-wise performance, how average candidates are scored, look out their performance in the elite and silver grades. It's rapidly increasing. That means over 60% credit are earned by the RCC IIT students in most of the courses as far they have registered, and from the initial level it's rapidly increasing. So I am giving you the highlighting the bars how RCC IIT going on. The gold and topper level are mostly constant, but number of the elite courses, that may elite grades, so 60 to 90%, it's a huge credential for the students of RCC IIT. That means the average students, they are getting their weightage as judged by AICTE, as judged by MHRD, is over 60% in most of the courses as taught by the IIT faculties. So not only for the students, if you look out the faculties of the RCC IIT, in the last 2 semesters, they have earned a huge number of certificates, and most of the certificates are FDP certificates as per the norms published by AICTE in Gazette of India. So that's RCC IIT faculties are continuously monitoring and upgrading themselves in order to cope with the state-of-the-art technologies and included in the latest change of the curriculum. If you look out the faculties of different streams, they are continuously monitoring, they are continuously upgrading, and we are proudly say that RCC IIT has also included in the NPTEL Star Awards. If you find out that already faculties and students are engaged in the NPTEL Star Award, and we are proudly present to name the person Pronoy Sumon, who is a student of RCC IIT, who has a domain certification in data science, and which is still now out of the only 8 domain certificates received by the candidates all over India. So RCC IIT is one of them, and that's a great proud for us. Myself also received as a NPTEL Star Award award as a SPOC and probably the first from West Bengal. So if you look the department-wise performance analysis in different years, look out the number of golds, number of toppers for different departments, and I am presenting the data for last 3 semesters. This is for January to June 2019 and this is for July to December 2019. So RCCIIT, the different departments are continuously progressing for the gold and the topper levels in last few semesters. If you look out the gold and topper, which is normally considered as an achievement, as because IIT Khairpur gives a memento as an appreciation to the students who have achieved the topper rank. So I am presenting the data set for elite plus gold and topper levels for different departments in the last 3 academic semesters. And I am also presenting the elite values. That's one of the most important factor, because the gold is 90 and above, but if you score between 60 to 90, that's considered a very good weightage factor, and MHRD says they are the elite candidates. So look out the number of elite candidates. Every semester RCCIIT departments are continuously progressing for those elite candidates, and that's rapidly increasing. And if you look out the type of the courses that are considered generally by the students, naturally because of the flourishing IT sector, RCCIIT students are taking more of the computer science oriented courses, but people are also interested in the electrical engineering and humanities. So the learning is not a particular direction, learning is blended. It has to be developed from ethical values to the latest technical regions. And naturally, as the progress, as the demand is changing, so the data is also upgrading, so it's fluctuating. People are orienting towards more CS based courses, and these CS based courses actually the diagrams basically reflecting what is the direction of the people. And in RCCIIT students also participated in NPTEL lab workshop, the only workshop held in Kolkata, and one of our students proudly represent the institute and got the certificate. Next, I am coming to the Coursera campus program, which is a special achievement by the institute during the COVID-19 lockdown scenario. Look at the data set. We have applied for initially 500 licenses to Coursera through AICTE Free Online Learning Initiative. We have started our journey on the 9th May. And as a huge number of students are getting the professional certificates as well as the Coursera certificates, so naturally our number of licenses are upgraded, and we have moved towards 1,500 user licenses at the middle of the June. And look out the status till now, the 6th July, 778 users enrolled, 639 certificates received, 29 professional certificates earned, and I am considering these professional certificates excluding the digital badges. If you count the digital badges, the number will go over 75 within 2 months, exactly 2 months. That's a huge achievement by the RCCIITians. And look out which departments are going on. Though Coursera, most of the courses are based on the computer science domain, but look out the non-CS background domains, they are perform also exceptionally well. The ECE and AEIE and also the IT CSE, they are also performing excellent manner. And a number of professional badges, how they have received. 18 professional badges are received by AEIE, and some 7 to 8 received by CSE and ECE and IT computer applications. Everybody is going to get the professional badges and also the digital certificates going on. Next, we are going to the as a network institute of Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, which is a ISRO-based initiative where we have enrolled as a free e-learning program, and RCCIIT is proudly announcing as a network institute of IIRS. So, the initial level, the 3 courses are offered, that is the application of geoinformatics in ecological studies, the geospatial inputs for enabling master plan formulation, and RS applications in agricultural water management. And so far, 44 students are enrolled till 6 July 2020, and the courses will start from 13 July. So we expect that more number of students are getting the certificates which are stamped by ISRO. That's a great achievement by RCCIIT during the lockdown scenario. And we have just started the journey within just 2 weeks before of this presentation. So you find out how the students are taking these e-learning courses offered by the various government and renowned private agencies and how they are rapidly progressing. And I am also presenting the data of Swayam e-outreach program, which is offered by IIT Bombay just for 1 year, for July 2018 to June 2019. And RCCIIT also enrolled in the Swayam program, and 66 certificates are received within 1 year. And the courses which are mostly offered the IIT Bombay collaboration are the basically the humanities courses, but which are actually giving the ethical values, the soft skills, the workplace communication, the financial management and literacy, and the oral communication behavior. These are the soft skill parts which are normally neglected, but RCCIIT could not afford that. And for the first year students, we exclusively bring the program as offered by IIT Bombay just for 1 year, but we take the opportunity, grab it, and 66 certificates are received by at that time the first year students. And I am showing the typical data, the diagrams, how the RCCIIT students received it for different courses and the different disciplines where they are proudly engaged themselves, and the soft skill they are naturally developed themselves. Apart from NPTEL, they have taken the Swayam e-outreach program. And last, I am going to the training and internship activities which are offered by Internsala. And as a nodal coordinator, I proudly say that within 1 year, we have goes to 197 rank in all India level as published in the internship day by the AICT chairman. And in eastern region we have ranked on 22. So out of more than 3000 institutes all over India, RCCIIT are proudly presented themselves in a top-notch corner. And why this data? This data is based on the 38 internships received at that year, and in this present year, also during the COVID situation, 53 internships received by RCCIITians and more than 1200 trainings offered by Internsala grabbed by RCCIITians. So our numbers are rapidly increasing, and we are going towards a scenario where though the classrooms are physically closed, but the learning in the RCCIIT is not stopped, and the data vividly reflects that. So all the freshers who are invited to become the part of the RCCIIT online program after their admission, they should consider this institute, because education is not only the learning itself, it is the manifestation of yourself, the self-development, and the RCCIIT is the perfect stage to become a professional from learner. So I think this is a statistical report where the most of the data are also available in the web. You can cross verify and you can decide your future. Thank you all.